Instagram Insights allows you to track the success of your posts so you can see what's working and what's not. Understanding your audience's behaviour and preferences is key to improving your overall Instagram strategy. Instagram Insights provides detailed information about how your posts, stories, and reels are performing. You can track all of your engagement in the app, such as likes, comments, and shares, and your reach, which is how many people saw your posts. And you can use all of these metrics to refine your strategy. Instagram Insights will also tell you how many new followers you're gaining over time, and also if you've got any unfollows as well. Now, it's quite typical to see unfollows like in this example because there are so many spam and bot accounts that get cleared out every now and again from Instagram. Also, people may well have followed you to enter a competition and they may unfollow you if they're not successful in winning. Your reach on Instagram shows you how many unique users have seen your content. So this is a really good thing to keep an eye on each month, just to understand how far and wide your message is spreading. It will also tell you how many of those people were reached because of ads, and it tells you a little bit more about that reached audience, such as who they are, where they're based, their age, and whether they follow you or not. Also, you get engagement stats, so you can see exactly how many content interactions you've been getting. That's things like the likes, the comments, and the shares. This will give you a good idea as to whether you're hitting the right spot with your content. So to access Insights, you need to head to your settings and click Insights. And if you have a free business account, this will unlock all of the insights. Here you can change the date range, so you can look at the last 7, 14, 90 days, 30 days, or a custom amount. It's good to check in on this every 30 days or so. So you can see the rundown there in the overview of how many people you've reached, engaged, and how many followers you have. You can also then start to drill down into exactly who those people are. I like the way that Instagram also tells you what type of content is working best for you. Is it stories, reels, or posts? You can even drill down to see exactly which posts did give you the most engagement and the most reach. Also, you can make some assumptions about what kind of follower or what kind of person you're able to reach with your content. So have a dig around in Instagram Insights and see what you can find out. It's also interesting to start to assess whether you're able to reach more followers or non-followers, and also what kind of content is helping you to reach your followers and non-followers the most. In this example, I'm reaching mostly followers through story content, but actually it's posts which are generating the most new accounts reached who are non-followers. So if I want to attract more followers, I should be concentrating on my post strategy. Although it is a good idea to have a balance of content that appeals to both followers and non-followers. You can use Instagram's free built-in analytics tool or third-party services like Hootsuite or Later to generate performance reports. These reports will give you a clear view of which posts and strategies are delivering the best results, helping you to adjust your content and maximising your pub's reach and engagement. We've put together a report template for you to use for all of your social media. This includes all of the main platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and also allows you to keep track of your web traffic and how many Google reviews and TripAdvisor reviews you're achieving each month. You can compile your data into this monthly report, and it will allow you to see exactly what kind of levels you can reach each month. It also allows you to compare month to month to see if you are growing some of your accounts or some of your objectives over time. And ideally, this will help you to highlight exactly what's working. You should use this report to adjust your strategy and set goals for the upcoming month. You can find a link to this reporting template in this video description.